In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional Telegram channel. A Telegram channel is one of the best tools for broadcasting updates, announcements, or content to a large audience in a clean and organized way. If you want your channel to look professional from the start, this setup process is very important. I'll walk you through everything clearly so it's easy to follow on your phone. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the pencil icon. This is where you start creating something new inside Telegram. From the menu that appears, tap New Channel. After that, tap Create Channel to begin the setup. This will take you to the section where you enter your channel's basic information. Now it's time to set your channel name and details. Type in the name you want people to see. A good example would be something simple and clear like a tech news or updates brand name. Try to keep the name short, easy to remember, and relevant to your content. That helps your channel look more polished and professional. Next, add a description that explains what your channel is about. This is useful because it gives potential subscribers a quick understanding of what kind of content they can expect. Once you've entered both, tap Next. After that, choose your channel type. You'll have two options, public channel or private channel. A public channel can be searched by others and will have a shareable link, while a private channel is invite only and better if you want limited access. If you choose a public channel, you'll need to set a username. This becomes part of your channel link, so pick something that matches your channel name as closely as possible and is easy to type. Next, add a profile picture by tapping the camera icon. Upload a logo, brand image, or a clear picture that represents your channel well. A strong profile image makes your channel look more trustworthy and recognizable. When you're happy with it, tap Done. If you run into problems, there are a few simple fixes. If you can't create a channel, make sure your Telegram app is updated, then restart your phone and try again. If the public username you want is unavailable, try a variation with numbers or underscores while still keeping it clean and readable. And if you don't see admin options, make sure you are the actual channel owner. That's it. Once these settings are in place, your Telegram channel will already look much more professional and ready for your audience.